Today is our last day of walking. I've never been happier about anything in my entire life.
Okay, so I'm vlogging in my poncho right now because it's really raining outside, but we have 12K left, so I'm gonna do an update every K. How are we feeling, guys?
Good.
Good. Okay, poncho update number 3. We have 10K left. How do you feel?
Good.
Great.
Okay, wait, 10K or 9K?
9.
9K left. How are we feeling?
Sleepy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 8K left, and we stopped and got some chocolate and fruit for snacks. And how do we feel?
Good. Still hungry.
Okay, well, we just stopped, so you could have bought food. Okay, we're in the 7s. How's it going, guys?
Good. Exhausted?
Uh-huh. Okay, bye. Also, we're adding up a pilgrim percentages. So, I think we decided on 5%. Fill in the blank.
Oh, the pressure. Okay.
It was 20% bread, 20% granola,
20% bananas.
20% bananas. This is actually just food.
Probably.
Okay, we're at
3%
60.
Blisters.
How many?
3%. 4% blisters?
Well, maybe not you, but maybe me, like 10.
Okay, 10% blisters.
Okay, so we're at 70.
40% gross clothing.
Okay, so the end.
And
110.
1% found clothing.
Okay, 111%.
And what else have we got? Alicia?
A stick.
Oh, 1% stick.
A lot worse. Like okay, 15%.
15% of you is your stick.
Yeah.
I'm glad to know where your values lie.
45% rainwater.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Every crevice. Well, I just turned on the camera so you can say that. And that was all you had to say.
Okay, that's all I
You have to keep going now.
I have nothing else.
This is embarrassing for everyone. Okay, 6K left. How do you feel?
Good.
Woo! We just calculated that in total we've walked like 9.5 days if we walked just straight forever. We're 5K away. How we feeling?
Good.
All right, we have 4.4 left. How we feeling?
Excited!
Woo! Okay, so I missed one, but we're at the 3K/2K mark. Woo! Woo! And it's actually so far because we have to walk. We're in FINISTERRE, but then you have to walk 3K to that point with the sign that says 0.0K. And so we're walking there.
Are we gonna swim?
And we're gonna swim, and it's really cold out, and then we have to walk 3K back in our wetness. But that's okay because we swam in the end of the world. Also, I forgot to do how do we feel? How do we feel, guys?
Good.
Anticipation!
That's not a feeling.
Oh, close enough.
We have 1.827K left. How do you feel?
Good.
I could have predicted that. Good. I'm so excited to just jump in the freezing ocean. Wow. This is a mixture of the water and the sky, but you can't tell because it's all just white. It's very cool. So I decided, because I didn't bring a rock the whole way, I'll just pick one up now for the last K, and then I'll throw it in the water, and then it will be almost the same effect. This is crazy. We have less than 1. Ah! I think I should just vlog the rest of the walk there.
I think that might be too long.
Well, we can walk fast. My viewers like it. We did it, guys. We did it! So we're at this little shop and we just called a taxi and it's like €5, so it's so nice because we don't have to walk for another hour back to FINISTERRE. So it is awesome. We haven't been in any other transportation in 36 days, except for our feet. Oh my God. This is luxury. We're moving without moving our feet. Genevieve has motion sickness from going in the taxi.
It's true, it's a thing. We've been
5 miles per hour for 5 minutes and she thinks she has motion sickness. Hey. I just gave her $1 to be American and she won't give me any money back.
I'm so American now.
Also, I threw away 20 euros.
That was too bad. And mine flew away. What can you do?
We made some beautiful lunch
It is a salad with lettuce, mango, pepper, sunflower seeds, tomato.
Oh my God, did you hear the mango? Mango.
Mango, fancy. Guacamole, carrot, onion. I don't know. They use just everything. The whole garden, chickpeas. We just got our credentials. They're a lot fancier than the last ones. My other one I folded and ripped by accident and got water on it. So this one I'm gonna keep nice. So I bought this toothbrush because I lost mine.
Hey, busted.
So for dinner we just have a couple things. I'll just show my gosh. So out here we'll just be eating our dinner. Oh my gosh, put this there. Okay, so we're gonna make some rice now. Oh my gosh. And we're just gonna turn on the vent here. Okay, so now our tomatoes are ready, so we're just gonna...
Oh, there you are.
Can you please turn on the lights?
No.
Order up. Kitchen is closing, so we are stealing all this stuff, and we had to put all our food in bags, and we had to cook dinner in literally 8 minutes because the lady said she's closing the doors.
Currently, we're trying to find the cheese.
One of these bags is not.
One of these bags is contaminated by cheese. I know.
One of these bags has literally the smallest piece of cheese in it, but one's vegan and one's not supposed to find it, so we put it in. Did you win at the fair?
Salad goldfish.